we've got such natural beauty, activities, surfing, mountains, and then the ability also to meet many of those people from around the world here in this one location and share the beauty of this place.
5 minutes I can go for a surf, 5 minutes I can go for a hunt. I was brought up in the outdoors, and to me this is the ultimate playground.
We've got the opportunity to produce some of the most remarkable dishes that one could possibly eat.
So there's amazing things happening, and I really think there's a bright future for Kaikoura in that food scene.
But a majority of our customers are from all around the world, so it's such a great place to meet great people and do great things.
The climate is such a beautiful climate that you can grow pretty much anything. There's something special about this community as well.